Hi there, Steve Bieniek here. Thought I'd do a little outside video today because the weather's amazing and spring is on its way and I'm COVID free, which is great, so I can get out and about. I did a site survey this morning for a new EPOS system for a cafe, and there were 5 specific things that I look for when preparing customers for rolling out EPOS, and I just wanted to share those top 5 things with you. The first one is comms. So in order to get a good experience both for staff and customers, the comms has to be good, and that requires decent broadband. Also requires whether it's going to be Wi-Fi or mobile as the route to get the transaction information from the card terminals to the banks. So it's got to be a good experience. So comms is really important. That also comes down to sort of data cabling as well. So cable and power is related but separate. So cabling and power is are there enough power sockets near the point of sale? If there isn't, then obviously you need to get an electrician to come in and install some additional power sockets, or use the appropriate extension cords. I always carry a few extra around in the car anyway. Cabling is important as well. So have you got a good existing service from let's say, for example, you need to do a kitchen printer. Is there enough cable to hardwire a kitchen printer back to the router? Do you need additional cables, etc.? So also as well, keeping it tidy. Health and safety is a big issue, so you want to make sure that your cabling is nice and neat, that staff and customers are not going to use it, trip over it, and it doesn't look like spaghetti hanging around. The environment's really important as well. So is the till system away from food and drink areas, so that to avoid spillages, and is it in a convenient place for both staff and customers? So the actual local environment is important to assess as well. Going on to the staff is the other one. So looking at any staff concerns regards to training, whether they're technically competent, whether they're used to using various sort of smart devices, and what training needs and sort of familiarization is required for the solution going in. And then any other factors, like if it's a new build project, are there other builders there? Are they refurbing? Can you work around them in regards to dates, etc.? So those are sort of my main tips to ensure a good EPOS rollout, and thank you very much.